In this video, I'm going to teach you how to crouch in Hello Neighbor 2 on Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Sometimes to get through certain objects, you will have to crouch in Hello Neighbor 2. This can be done on all platforms, and of course you can do the exact same thing on your Nintendo Switch, regardless of the controller that you are using. So if you have standard Joy-Cons, or even a Nintendo Switch Pro controller, all that you have to do is press down on the right analog stick. So whenever you get to a section of the game where you have to crouch, you will see this indicator. So just press down on the right analog stick. When you press down on this, you will hear a click indicating that you are now crouched in game. So you can walk through tight gaps and small holes, and after you are done crouching, just press it again. And when you press it again, you will get up. So all that you have to do is look out for this symbol indicating for you to press down on the right analog stick. If for whatever reason this doesn't work or you want to customize the controls, just go over to the settings on the home screen before starting and then choose the controls category from here. By choosing controls, you will have a screen similar to this one, where you are able to customize every single action and button. Of course, on this example, I have an Xbox controller, but you can do the exact same thing on a Nintendo Switch. I apologize for not showing how this looks on a Switch, it's just that I don't have access to that version at the moment. But as long as you press down on the right analog stick by default, you will crouch in Hello Neighbor 2, and you can customize it to whichever other button you want to use. If it doesn't work, you can try either the Y or B button, but usually it is always going to be the right analog stick by default. So if you have never pressed down on the analog stick, just click on it and you will be able to crouch to get through any sort of gap or obstacle in Hello Neighbor 2. I hope I was able to help you on how to crouch in Hello Neighbor 2 Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.